Today we're going to create a shaped card using the Happy Camper collection. Using this collection will allow you to create the most adorable little campers that you, your friends, and family will love. Join me and we'll learn these techniques together. To get started, we're going to use the Happy Camper stamp and die set. With this set, you have this large camper, the door, and this little window accent. So to get started, I stamped the camper base with a black archival ink, and we're going to show you how I quickly color it. Now you can really customize this and have some fun colors and backgrounds with your camper. You could even stamp this on some pattern paper for some really unique background texture as well. So I'm using the Vivid Chartreuse as the main background color of the green. And then if you want to go back and add some highlights of the Forget Me Not, this is just a really quick and easy way to add that color accent all the way around the edges. And I also did that around the base as well. To get the colored dots, I just used a pink color pencil and just really quickly just colored those little circles in. You could also use a marker if you wanted to. So that is a quick and easy way to add some color to that. And then for the lines on the side, I also just used my color pencil and just added some quick stripes, and you're ready to add this to your card base. To create the card base, you are going to do a die cut shape. I like to cut a 6x6 card front panel, and then you'll just lay this die on top with the folded hinge is going to be on the top. So I press my tape down, I flip it around, and just make sure that a little bit of that die blade is protruding over the edge of that actual card. So just press that down, and we're going to go ahead and run that through our die cutting machine. And when that comes out, you have that beautiful shaped card that you can add that camper to the top. So this really adds a fun accent and element. Oops, my tape is a little bit super sticky. If that happens, just pop that out. And sometimes if you have a very narrow piece, it's double cardstock, I see that this is not cut out super well. So if that happens, just go back, lay your die right on top. I'm actually going to just pop this out with my, this is how you can see what happens sometimes. I should have checked that before I just pull the die out. So just make sure you do that. So we're going to just flip this upside down. Pop this back into that. Then just run that through again. It just needs a little bit of pressure into that more detailed area. That will cut that out, and that will be your perfect die cut piece. Once you have that card base cut out, you're going to go ahead and just layer that stamped die piece right on top, and I used some 3D foam dots, and then you're ready to embellish. The little accents in this set are super cute. You can really add pop dots and add depth and dimension however you want, but it's pretty fun to have different depths, like the heart, the window. I'm going to inset just a little bit more. So you can just cut some of your foam pieces into tinier squares. So there's cute little accents within this set to really make this have a character of its own. The windows, some of the windows are a little bit different, different cutouts that you can choose from. So pop this in the center, and then we'll go ahead and just glue this inside decorative window piece just flat. So that will be slid right in here, and then you have kind of these shutters that decorate the outside. You can go ahead and just glue that straight down as well. And see how that camper is starting to take a life of its own. And if you can even name your camper if you wanted to. Do you add names to your campers? So we'll go ahead and put a little pop dot on the wheel. Pop that little wheel on there, and then you can finish it out with the flowers. Put a little open sign at the door, and add fun little accents like this. Here's some smaller pieces as well that will look a little bit more in depth in just a little bit. We've made many different fun samples with the Happy Camper collection. Another stamp and die set within this collection, the Elements of Home. These are beautiful accent pieces to decorate your camper and create cute little outdoor scenes. So you'll see that the flowers on this camper come from that set, along with there's that mini fence and banner as well. So you'll have the mini banners. We have a little scooter in another set. That one is in the My Happy Place. This is a little accent set as well, along with a smaller camper. You've got the little table chairs, you've got the little campfire, and a little container with bottles of soda, and you've got the little tree and the little scooter, which is super, super cute. So this camper is more for like your A2 size card, so we'll take a look at that a little bit later on. But this is a removable camper from this card, so that's a fun interactive way. You could put a gift card on the inside by cutting another hole with the wheel in here if you wanted to. And here's some more different ways that that camper has been decorated. Here's one with a little scooter attached to it. There's a little puppy doggy. The little puppy doggy comes from the Elements of Home set as well. So there's a little puppy and a little kitty in this set as well. And then here's a fun one using one of the fence accents. You could really use this as a Father's Day card as well, which I thought was really pretty in some of the smaller campers. You've got the banner. This one is using a lot of the paper with a Happy Father's Day sentiment. Here's one with a smaller camper as well, using the tag die, adding those banners, little fence accents and the little kitties. Here's more using one of the basic paper backgrounds, adding the little scooter, and that's super cute. And you've got the little camper attached to the truck. This card is really utilizing a lot of the different elements within the stamps and dies, which is really fun. You've got the fence, you've got the little scooter, the little camper. Don't you just want to hang out at that pretty happy place? Here you've got the little camper with a table. The doggy's taking space in that one. Here you've got another one. Adventure is calling, I must go. The paper has some beautiful sentiments in it. Here's another A2 card with a camper. So you can really have some fun creating those beautiful cards that your friends and family will love. The paper collection is perfect with this. You've got lots of backgrounds that are the perfect accent to layer your campers on top of. You've got some of the campers in there that are already colored for you, so you can just die cut those out. And then we have a beautiful piece. Let's see, where is that? This is the tag piece. I think maybe on the opposite side. We have a piece with sayings, so you can die cut those out and add those to your cards as well. Have fun creating your one-of-a-kind campers in different colors and themes. If you don't have yours yet, I've added the products below with easy links so you can get yours ordered today. Thank you so much for joining me today. We will see you next time. Bye.